Ladies and gentlemen, we do have so many chat AI tools right now. Usually, I use ChatGPT, and recently we had this Chinese called DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek is nice. It's got a lot of nice things for a cheaper price compared to ChatGPT. Okay, and now we got QWEN Chat from Alibaba. The nice thing with this one, you can generate a videos, but it's very slow. It's very slow. As you can see here, I'm trying to generate one video. Okay. I've been using it since yesterday. Let's finish the video and then we're gonna see how it look like. 99%. The video is done, as you can see here. Oh, that's a really. Why is the crocodile not moving? And it's only 2 seconds. Took time, took time. Only 2 seconds, as you can see the video here. Okay, okay. Let me go to a new chat. Give me 5 keywords about digital marketing. Let's see what we got. It's kind of not bad. So this screen from Alibaba. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.